This may sound corny, but can we just all agree that Hidden.NY is no longer hidden? Hello friends, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you my latest pickups from the recent Hidden.NY drop. I have done similar videos like this, so I felt like switching this video up a bit, and I'll be including everything you need to know about Hidden.NY. As the brand continues to grow, I am sure more and more people want to know things like when drops are happening and where you can get these items, etc. So here is that video. Also, a big shout out to Hidden for helping me with this video, making sure all the information is correct. It's truly appreciated. So if you did not know already, Hidden.NY is an Instagram page which started in August 2018. The page consists of different posts around fashion, music and art. Each day your feed is blessed with numerous posts, whether it be sneakers, clothing pieces or relevant music culture posts. Underneath these posts you will find numerous comments from the followers of the page, sharing their thoughts and any questions they may have regarding the post, and usually they're always answered by other followers. From the founder himself, he says, "It's a community, I don't represent it." Words which definitely match the vibe when scrolling through the page. On the topic of the founder, he says this is the world's next biggest mystery, because every now and then you will see people predicting who they think the founder of Hidden.NY is. Some say it's Loyalty, some say it's Daniel Arsham. Whoever it is, the founder remains hidden. I'm sorry, I had to do it. I'm sorry. Forgive me. I truly respect this from the founder, because Hidden.NY is becoming so big and yet the brand has no face attached to it. It shows you the founder wants the brand to be about his passions, which are shared with the hundreds of thousands following the page, a community in itself. Hidden has also turned his passion into a clothing brand at Hidden.ppf on Instagram. For those who clicked on this video and want to know how to cop the socks, this is the page you need to be following. The drops are usually at the end of each month, sometimes in the middle of the month, and they're released on the website Hidden.ppf.com. The website is locked until drop day, where it goes live at a specific time. The time of the drop can be found on the page a few days before the drop. When you see the post for the upcoming drop, there will usually be 2 times stated underneath in the caption. The later time is for anyone wanting to access the site to the general public. The earlier time is for those who are part of the Hidden.NY newsletter subscription service. Another way Hidden showcases his passion in fashion, music and art is through the newsletter. This is a chance for you to really read into the story behind different things in fashion, music and art, like how Hiroshi Fujiwara collaborations are so highly coveted. Anyone can subscribe to receive the newsletters, which drop every week if I'm not mistaken. With the subscriptions come different tiers. The first tier is a free tier, where members will receive weekly newsletters. Tier 2 is the first paid tier, where members pay $15 a month, and with that comes the newsletter and early access to the drops. So when one receives a newsletter, there will be an early access link attached to the newsletter email. You click on this link and you are taken to the site, which is live and not blocked by the passwords. Tier 3 is where you pay $160 a year and you get the same benefits as Tier 2, but it is slightly cheaper if you look at it as a yearly amount. The last tier is the $200 a year tier. This is the Hidden PPF pack. Members in this tier receive everything mentioned above, so the newsletters and the early access link, as well as an entry into the Hidden PPF pack giveaways, where you can win exclusive prizes like the customized Dior Jordan 1 highs by Daniel Arsham and Philip Leize, forgive me if I pronounce it wrong, or the Hidden.NY Clarks, which was a recent collaboration. I was also told there will be a yearly magazine released, as well as exclusive member merchandise. So those are some things to consider if you are thinking about paying for the subscription, regardless of the tier. All I would say, based off my experience, even if it is the $15 per month tier, it gives you early access to the drops. If you see yourself buying from this brand often and you don't want the stress of competing with loads of people for the January release, then why not enjoy that early access link, where you are given a good 3 hours to pick up what you want before the site is made live to the general public. Remember, this is my opinion based off my experience. But let me know your thoughts on Hidden.NY. Feel free to drop any thoughts and questions in the comment section down below. Like I said earlier in the video, Hidden.NY is no longer hidden. Like, okay, Hidden, you're no longer hidden, bro. I'm sorry, because more and more people are becoming aware of this brand. The guy has used his following the right way, and from the quality of his clothing, it definitely shows he knows what he's doing. I'm very excited to see where he takes his brand and just how big the community can actually grow. A big shout out to Hidden.NY for helping me with the video. If you want to see other pieces in my personal Hidden.NY collection, then you might like these videos here. Be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and why not catch me on Instagram at edmundokpala. All support is truly appreciated. There should be some footage of my recent pickups in the background, so I'll leave you with those. Thank you again for checking out this video today, and I will see you in the next one. As always, stay blessed.